Guys, my name is Kesvi and I make travel content. If that is your thing, you should like and subscribe to my channel. So let's go on with the video. So today's video is a very simple video. I currently live in Kits, so we're gonna do a 5 things you should do / see in Kitsilano. So let's get it. Into it, find me on my social medias at Love from Kesvi. Go follow me on there. I post so much more stuff on there than I do on here, and yeah.
Okay, so this is a little bit cheeky that I'm doing this, but you can't talk about Kits and not talk about the beach. This is literally the reason I moved to this place, the beach, because I live so close to the beach and it's so beautiful. Like, look at those views. Like, you get to sit on the beach and you can see mountains. That's just insane to me. But yeah, I really love it. But not just this beach. There's not just this beach in Kits. There is another one which I am going to show you. So this is the pool just here on your left, and then if you keep walking, you get to what I like to call a hidden beach, because it's not secret, it's just like a little bit hidden, not as many people know about it, and it's just a lot nicer, especially if you don't like crowded beaches, to sit there and chill instead of sitting at Kits Beach. Yeah, the walk itself takes around 10 minutes, and you go past some really cool spots to take photos. You can, like here for example, is a really nice place to sit and read a book or just like listen to music because it's so pretty. Anyway, if you carry on, you go down this cute little path, which if you keep just like stopping and looking around, you'll see how amazing it looks. It's so pretty. I don't know why I had to say it like that. Anyway, so you get to this beach. This beach isn't as nice as Kits Beach in the fact that it's not like sandy, but it is a really cool place to chill, and it has the best view for the sunset. There used to be a swing here. I don't know where it's gone. Someone must have cut it off. I don't know. Sad though, because I really wanted a picture on it. Anyway, yeah, the sunset here is so pretty. So talking about the beach, right next to the beach, I mentioned before, there is a pool. It's Kitsilano Pool. I mean, they didn't go very like clever with the name, but it is a really beautiful pool to go and swim in. If you're like me and you don't want to swim in the sea here, this is like honestly the best place. It is the longest pool in Canada. It's 137 meters and it just has the best views. And I've done lengths here, and that is tiring. Like, so tiring. Yeah, the next thing that you guys can do is sports. There's so many sports courts here, even just around Kits itself, not just even at the beach. So they have tennis here, and just a short walk from the tennis, as you can see, the beach is right in front of you. They have about 15-16 volleyball courses, which there's always at least one free if you want to come with a group of friends, or a lot of the people here are happy to play a game against another group of people. I mean, it is COVID, so maybe be careful of that and definitely like make sure you're keeping your distance. And the last game that I know is at Kits Beach is basketball. They have 2 basketball courts, and it honestly looks like so much fun. I am terrible at basketball, so I will not be playing, but you guys should definitely come down and check it out. There's like, even if you don't play, there's always games happening. So if you know me at all, this next one is Unported tacos. Honestly, Lucky Tacos is so good. It's really close to the beach, maybe about 5-minute walk. It's like a couple of blocks down. I'll put a link in the description to it so you guys can find it yourselves. It has really cute decor and their tacos are amazing. They have this really cute patio which they've put separation things on them. Oh god, I can't remember the name. And they don't have too many options for tacos, but the ones that they do have are so good.
So I got the fried cauliflower. What else did I get? I can't remember. Oh, I got the Baja Pescados, which I think is this one here. Oh, why can't I see my finger? And this is the fried cauliflower, and you got, ooh,
I got
the
some
fried
kind of
chicken,
and then I forget. I got a random one.
I don't know. Anyway, they look real good. So
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.
Really happy.
As you're going to be able to tell in a second, I really enjoy these tacos. Whenever we come, we try to get different ones. Oh, and they also have like a patio which is kind of on the road with like standing up. It's so good. Anyway, the link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this place. The last thing that I want to tell you guys about is a arcade slash bar style bar. It's amazing. It's called Glitch. It's got like really old school games like skee ball. It's got those basketball rings. It's got air hockey. It's got all sorts, and it's so fun inside. Like it literally takes you back to like the 90s. They also have little booths where you can play like Mario Kart. I don't think I show it in this video, but they're on the left just there. It's so much fun. There is a couple of things I should tell you guys about. They have a happy hour from 3 till 6 p.m, which is so good. And you do have to pay for the games. It is like genuinely like an arcade where you have to put like $2 into the game to make it work. So don't go there thinking you can get a free game of anything, because it's not. And their pool table is pretty good too. I'm a big fan of playing pool. Me and my friends go like at least once a week. But yeah, and ladies, there is a special surprise for you in the bathroom. If you are a big fan of Ryan Reynolds, this is definitely up your street. Look at him. He is all over those walls. And obviously me and my friends took pictures in front of them, hence the thumbnail. But yeah, definitely worth checking out for real. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, because I really enjoyed doing the voiceover for it. This was so much fun, and I want to do another one like this.
So much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, which is just down here. The video about Davidson's pool just here, and my Canada playlist just there. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys again. Stay safe, stay sane. Lots of love, Kesvi.